Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding Nano Dimension stock. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also get your 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. Nano Dimension has not been doing so well this week, with the stock being down 7% this week. I think this is a good buying opportunity for the stock, but I also don't think it will be the last. Over the course of the last 8 months, Nano Dimension has issued shares many times. This caused the stock price to drop in the short term, but it recovered after trading for a bit. They recently developed the lab-on chip, which integrates lab functions, circuitry, and electrodes on a single circuit. You can prototype as many as 20 to 30 devices in one print direct from a CAD file, and test the designs the next day. The Dragonfly devices allow for quick turnover time, and prevents intellectual property theft. The Dragonfly gives the customer a peace of mind and shortens time of prototyping to weeks to a day or few. There have been a lot of rumors floating around what will happen with Nano Dimension stock. Will they be acquired or will they merge with another company? Either scenario would be good news for investors, and we're waiting in anticipation of what exactly Nano Dimension will do with all the cash they're sitting on. We know that because of the pandemic that Nano Dimension wasn't able to aggressively acquire new clients this year. So this leaves the scenario of acquiring or merging with another company. I think with all the cash they have on hand that Nano Dimension is probably looking to acquire another company to give them an edge in the 3D printing space. 3D printing will completely change the way goods are manufactured, and the revolution won't happen overnight. It will take time for companies to transition to this new technology. One way this can be sped up is if bigger companies will acquire these smaller companies for their technology. Lockheed Martin recently acquired i3Core, which is a software and security company. They have a lot of aerospace projects that will be in the works, so they wouldn't allow for Nano Dimensions to be acquired by a competitor. They want to keep their competitive advantage, so Lockheed would want to be ahead of the curve. In February, Chris, a VP from Lockheed Martin Venture Capital, joined Nano Dimension on the board of directors. His job is to find small technology companies which support the business objective of Lockheed Martin. If they think Nano Dimension complements their business, then they will acquire them. As we know, additive manufacturing is useful for aerospace technology. It enables you to reduce weight and to minimize electromechanical components. So if a lot of bigger companies are using this additive technology, it will allow for quicker adoption by the entire industry. It will become an industry standard, and current ways would become outdated. Technology is always improving, and it allows for there always to be industries that are revolutionizing for the better. The printing press revolutionized the way books were created. It isn't yet certain what Nano Dimension will do, but that news will be a big catalyst for the stock. I think in the long term that Nano Dimension will go up. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also get your 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.